In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download Wix website files. Now, before we start, it's important to understand one key thing. When you're working with a site that's built on Wix, you usually don't download the full source files the same way you would with a traditional coded website. Instead, what you're really doing is saving a local copy of the page as it appears in your browser. This is useful if you want a snapshot of the current content, layout, or text, or you simply want to keep a backup reference of what your site looks like at a certain moment in time. First, open your Wix website in your browser and navigate to the exact page you want to download. Make sure all the content is fully loaded. If the page is long, scroll all the way down once, so images and sections that load as you scroll are properly displayed. This helps ensure that the saved version captures everything you're seeing on screen. Next, move your mouse over to the right side of your browser window, where the vertical scroll bar is. Instead of clicking directly on the page, right-click on the scroll bar area. This is a simple trick that makes sure you're clicking somewhere neutral on the page, without triggering links, opening images, or selecting text by accident. A small context menu will appear when you right-click there. In that context menu, look for the option that says Save As, or sometimes Save Page As, depending on your browser. Go ahead and click on that. A Save dialog box will pop up asking you where you want to store the file on your computer. Choose a folder that you'll remember later, such as your desktop or a dedicated website backups folder. At this point, you can also rename the file to something clear and descriptive, like Wix homepage backup or Wix contact page. Keeping names consistent will help you stay organized if you download multiple pages. You will usually see a file type option as well. Leaving it as the default web page complete or similar is often the best choice, because it saves not only the HTML file, but also an accompanying folder with images and other assets used on that page. Once everything looks good, click Save, and your browser will begin downloading the page. After the save is complete, you can go to the folder you chose and open the saved HTML file. Your browser will display a local copy of your Wix page as it was at the moment you saved it. This gives you a handy reference version you can view even if you're offline, or if you later change the design in Wix.